Oh, hey! Good morning, everybody. Top of the morning to you. Hope you're not getting crushed by this dumpy market. I'm a little bit crushed today. Red on the day, in a green trade at the moment, trying to catch the bottom on this freaking move down. Taking off one there.
Order filled.
It's a little profit de-risk. Down about 500 on the day. No big deal. This is a funded XFA. My TPT took a huge amount of heat. This is the eval down 2,300. This is day 6, I think, on that one. All right, watching the video here against 210. It's rejecting 210, 210 bear zone, bull zone top, I think. A recovery there could be cool. And we also have SPY versus 750. That's the other level to watch here. We've rejected it a couple times off of 750. All right, we're gonna flip over to the Daddy Mac chart, the Daddy Mac layout. There we go. We've been bouncing off this rips level all day. It's also around hedge. Oh no, this is hedge pressure right here. I think we're rejecting it right now. Big gap in here between 881. Actually, we got some fresh levels today. Let's see. Hope you guys are in that Instagram group. That's where these levels come from. So we get 881. Gotta get on this trade right here, we got to get above this 40 level. 40 is currently acting resistance. Popped above. Very good. Very good. Let's stick it. Not short it. All right, I'm going to move my stop up to the EMA here. Oh, I love that double bottom. I like a double bottom. Oh my y'all. Okay, 29881, 29925. Long enough 25 earlier. 2550. Okay. Holding that long, that's great. VIX, good rejection here from the pre-market high. Let's get our VIX chart set up right. Oh, that 40 resistance strikes again. Son of a. I like seeing that 5-minute rejection. 5-minute charts over here. Oil, meanwhile, flirted with 91 for a second after getting a big pop. This is the morning dump all the way to 87.50. New low in the recent days. Let's see if we can at least get back under 90. That would be good news for a long. Okay, here we go. We're above the 40 resistance. I think we got clear skies up to, yeah, 53-ish. Nice, nice, nice. Uh-oh, oil getting a little bounce there. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Don't blow your accounts today. Don't go on tilt. Looks like we got a real bottom in there. I'm glad I didn't get stopped out. Move my stop up to this EMA. We've reclaimed this level here was hedge pressure. This is excellent news for the long. Now we got to fight this guy over here. Really liking that long. Now, what do we have above 25 and 30K? Above 25 and 30K. 973 is the other one. Pretty much where we are. No, that's my YouTube ID. 973 25 73 73.25. Also, this is coincidental, probably a good spot to short from previous day's yesterday's midpoint. So let's just see what happens. VIX is heading in the right direction. Let's check out the rocket scooter for today. This is NVIDIA's chart. Oh, love the oil dump. That's a great sign for the long. Okay, moving my stop up. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and just take my profit here. That 90 bounce looking a little dirty from oil. Looking a little dirty while we're at resistance on 73. No. We're good. These EMAs, we can come back down and test this level and this EMA. If we can get above 73, that's 30K. We could come back to those EMAs. Be cool. Good continuation on oil. Come on now. I'm watching on the 5. Want to get under 19. See if we can make it happen. Nice. We're getting above these sellers in the previous day mid. Let's see if we can push through. Push to 80. There goes oil further downside. VIX Prime has a nice rejection too. We're pushing through the rips level at 73. Nice push. Let's hit 80. Let's hit 80. $78, $80. There's 80. And a quick rejection from 80. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take my profit there on the 80 tap. I will re-enter. We're down 440 on the day. 440. Here's that oil bounce off 90. That's why I was looking for the exit. Okay. Yep, there's the oil bounce. Caution, everybody. The oil's starting to get a little jiggy. Now, back to the micros. I will get long again using this as my stop. Yeah.
Order
okay, I'm long with 2 micros, and I'm going to use 36 as my stop. I will continue to add all the way down into the 40s. I want to see continuation on the oil chart. Get that over the 2-minute. See if we can fight this thing back to green. I've already done it once today. It could happen. Stranger things have happened. Nice continuation down to oil. I'm glad I switched to that 2-minute chart. That's telling a better story. Still finding some resistance up here. Sellers are trying, but I think they're going to fail. Ooh, VIX with the bottom wick, though.
Order filled. Order filled.
There goes oil again. Let's break that 90. Let's break that 90. Break that 90. Come on now. Don't give me a rick. Oh, it was a bounce from 90, wasn't it? Son of a bitch. Come on. My stop is in.
Order filled. Order filled.
Want that bounce off the EMAs. Get this bounce. Let's get it good. Let's get a good bounce. Oh, it wasn't a good bounce. I'm stopping out of a lot of that. A lot of those. Lame.
Order filled.
Added a little bit more down there as we're tickling the rips level with an EMA above, but this is a long roped hanging man. There's the rips level.
Order filled.
Added there. If it holds. Vic's got a big pop. Rips level got a bounce. I love that. I love that very much. Thank you, Rips. Oh, but is it gonna hold? Is it gonna hold? Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. Damn. Rips level getting trashed. Here in our Iran headlines, let's all be cautious here. Get your stops in if you're trying to catch a bottom with me. Back above the Rips level. Maybe some good headlines coming out. Let's wait. So much resistance here. Okay, here we go. Come on, turn this candle green. Turn this candle green. Let's go fill up that top wick. New candle. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking some profit.
Order filled.
680. Nice bounce, nice bounce. We're gonna start rejecting off the upper EMAs. I'm taking more profits. They're giving me like terrible fills on these. Glad I wasn't in a fucking backpack on that one. Okay, I'm watching VIX Prime getting a top wick off of the last bounce. And UVXY as well. Testing the Rips level again. Glad I got some positions off in profit. Oh, wow. Big drop, big drop, big drop. Harsh. 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 Through the Rips level. Is double bottom gonna hold us here?
Order filled.
Sure, the Trump might be speaking. Jesus, there's so much happening right here. Market's trying to find lows. We're going to try to not lose too much more so we can save some money for when the actual move does happen. Fucking oil getting a bounce here. Tough times here at the bottom. Now we're kind of rejecting the Rips level. It's where my cost basis is. Ugh. Rough. Really don't want oil to bounce again. We want it to crash through 90 and send the market. There goes oil testing 90, 90 and a penny. $90.03. God, got the fucking bounce again. There is $89.99. pop. Gotta get above 920. Gotta get above 920. Not quite getting it. Not quite getting it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's get this long going. Let's get this long going. We are green. I don't like the oil bottom candle. Yeah, come on. There we go. Getting a little green. Oh, and rejected again. It's about to take some profits again. Damn. Oil, huge bounce. Sucks. Wow, brutal.
Order filled.
Brutal bounce on oil. Oil continuation. Question mark. Move my stop up. I want it to get just auto-filled the way that TopStep X sometimes does. Like the bounce so far. I did have an ad down there. Ugh, come on. Still resisting from our average. A double bottom, waiting down below. Okay, there's an, oh, oil still pumping. Pixie and oil both pressing. Trump may be speaking here. Fucking come on. Huge dip. Added one more down there. Moving my stop down, just trying to give it a little breathing room here. Okay, got that 81 level here. It's the last chance. 81 got a bounce. All right, that's good news. Got a hold now. I like that rejection on oil. Take that shit down. Crash that oil. That's great. That's great. Send it. Send it. Let's go. Send it. All right, we're green on the trade, everybody. We're green on the trade. Hooray. Hooray. Gotta push. Come on. Still rejecting from my fucking entry. Come on. Everybody's going to see that oil candle and just jump all over NVIDIA and get it pumped. Ah, come on. No love on the bounce from 81. Nope, it rejected our entry. Okay, moving my stop up. Life insurance, that is. Back above 900. 920 is where the resistance is. Oh, good. Come on. Okay, I like that long wick. I like that long wick. Turn that candle green, Trump. Come on. Give it to us. Ah, brutal. Brutal with these bottom wikis. Fuck it. There's our 900 test. Seems to not be holding. Okay, here's 81 again.
Order filled.
I added a little bit more there. We're gonna push below 81. That's when I'm gonna start to stop out. Okay, good bounce so far. Oil, nice, nice, nice. It's 81. Whoa, big wick below. Back to the low, equal low. Exactly equal low. Reclaim the rips level. Back over 900. Can we get to 900? 900. Stop is going back up. Candle turned green. I like that. Let's get back to our fucking average. Yep, let's go. Come on, oil. Come on, oil. Do the thing. Oil's doing the thing. Come on now. We got a decent bounce to 900, but we're getting stuffed still at our entry. Now we're green. Now we're green. Our entry is on the EMA. All right, I'm trying to take some out. Taking some out. Taking some out. Why are those increasing my losses?
Order filled.
Okay, stop is in. Break even.
Order filled.
Just taking my profits as we're sitting on that EMA. Got this rips level right here, right above us as well. A reclaim of 20s would be cool. Nice. I'm going to take off one more in profit there. Let's see what happens. Triple bottom. Oh, rejected off the EMA. Golly. VIX starting to pump a little bit. I do like the hanging man on VIX. Oil getting a dip.
Order filled.
got back in on 3 micros down here. I'll be very cautious. Not taking a lot of size yet. Like that green. At some point, we're going to have a pretty big reversal green candle upside. I would like to be on board when that happens. 90.15 oil. Seems like that oil was just a fake move. Took a bunch of L's on that, but that's okay. There we go. There we go. That's the bounce that I really wanted to see. There we go. I'm going to take off 1 off the EMA. That's the oil dumperoo. Very good. Very good. Good trade. Good trade. There we go. There we go. That's the rips level to the upside. Reclaimed. Reclaimed it. There must be some good news coming from Trump. We just flew through that rips level. That's awesome. Now we come back and test it. That would be a great place to get long from. I'm going to take one more
Order
profit
filled.
there. Great candle here. Great candle. We just engulfed the whole bull flag complex. Now we're coming back down. I want to see a long from 24. As long as oil doesn't bounce off 90 there. 90.05, 90.06. 90.08. Did get the 90 bounce. We did not get down to that rips level yet. 20.
Order
Right, I'm in a
filled.
backpack there. There we go. Excellent entry. Yes, yes. Come on, push. Come on, push. You know, I'm going to go and
Order
take it off
filled.
there and profit. That was about a $70 profit. What was that? It was 3 points. $60 profit. I'm longing into this big wick, so I'm not trying to be a hero. There's the oil bounce. So sad. Not in a backpack mood anymore. Oh, there's that rips level test, though. On the rips level with a little bit of a bottom wick. Oil getting interesting.
Order filled.
Oh, oil. Yo, 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 yo. Stopped out of the micro. That's got to be a Trump headline there. VIX is dropping. Oil got a pop and then a top wick. We are below the rips level. On to the EMA. $90.10 on oil, $90.08. Okay,
Order
I'm long
filled.
3 micros from the EMA with an oil rejection. Let's see what happens. Down 550. Whippy action here. Look at that. Look at that oil candle. Let's get under 90. Let's get it. Here we go. Oil looks a little bouncy. Still bouncing off 90. You think Trump told everybody to short oil right before he started talking? Maybe so. So
Order
not a
filled.
one. That's just in profit. Stop is in.
Order
Stopped
filled.
out. Okay, there's that 90 tap for oil. What's gonna happen? 90.01.
Order
All right,
filled.
I'm long 10,
Order
15 micros. Let's see what happens. I want to get oil under 90 this time. There it is. Thank you.
Order
Taking
filled.
some
Order filled.
profits. $25 in profit. That's so stupid.
Order filled.
Taking the pumps when we get them. Taking the pumps when we get them. We didn't get above the rips level.
Order filled.
Just a little scalp here. Nice, nice, nice. To the rips level. To the rips level. Nice. I'm out
Order
of one
filled.
more. Nice. Great trade. Great trade. Yes.
Order filled.
Out of two more. We're above the rips level. Stop is moving up. Moving on up. Let's head all the way back up. Give me a V-shaped recovery. Yes. Oil did get a little bounce under 90.
Order filled.
Took off one more in profit. Watching this double bottomy situation on oil. Holding above the rips level. Really nice. Really nice. Still into that big old top wick. Okay, 90
Order
bounce
filled.
on oil. Took one more off at the top of that wick. And moving my stop up to the below the rips level. I'm going to give it 920, which is 5 points below the rips level. Okay. Tested that rips level again. Nice. We got right onto it. Are we going to make it? Ooh, getting whippy here. Getting whippy. Stop, Hunty. Oil looking very bottomy here. Holding above that rips level, though. Nice push. Nice push. Nice rejection for oil. I'm going to take off one more
Order
up there at
filled.
the top of that. Perfect. 25.50. Rips level. We got under it slightly. Tested it, held it, bounced it. That oil's holding on to 90 for dear life. $90.02.03 oil. Typically when Trump speaks, he either dumps the market or he gives us the V-shaped recovery. Okay, we're under 90. See what happens. Fix down, oil down. So far, so good. Nope, oil bounced. Not getting in the backpack. I do need to pee, though. Here's the position. Oh, I got two on. Nice push. There's that rips level. Doesn't seem like it's gonna hold.
Order filled.
Opt out. We'll re-enter as we interact with this EMA. Yep, recover the rips level. I'm
Order
long
filled.
again. 6 micros. Look at that oil candle. It's gonna push down for sure. Look at that oil candle. Let's push it down, baby. Down, down, down. Downtown. Take that oil downtown. No, no, my right around our entry. There's the push. I like that.
Order
I'm out of a
filled.
couple. Just got out of 3 there in profits. In profits. We're fighting our way back. We are clawing our way back. I'm out of
Order
one more
filled.
in some profit. All right, we're below the 300, the negative 300. What a great day! There goes oil. Fuck you, oil. Oh, still not stopped out. That's fun. Almost stopped out there. Take it off one.
Order
Profit.
filled.
That's going to stop me out of the other one.
Order
Yep,
filled.
that was a good stop out. All right, we're only down 284. That ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. You ain't got nothing on me. Look at this. Look at that down there. We come back down there. That would be another good entry. Okay, watching close on that oil level, 89.98. I'm
Order
long 3
filled.
micros. Send that oil to the gulag.
Order filled.
Out of 2 of those, we're just profit scalping here. Stop is break evens. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's a beauty. It's a beauty. Oh, oil going downtown like we asked for. Now, this 973 level clearly has got resistance. So I'm going to go ahead and watch that oil bounce, guys. Stay under 90, you motherfucker. Ah, it's bouncing.
Order filled.
Look at that fucking oil bounce. Good stop, good stop, good stop. Oh, look at that oil wick. That's weird. Weird things are happening with oil. That was a great entry for the long. Uh-oh, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. I mean, I got one
Order
micro. I got 1 micro from the rips level. Catching a little bit of the bounce. Got a little late on the entry. All right, back to the rips level again. Oil got a push. Shit. Gotta be Trump talking about the war. Okay, there's the rejection from oil. A true rejection now. Keep that candle red, boys. Still holding over 90 though. I don't love that. Nice bounce so far. 34. It's our entry-ish. There we go. Come on. That oil candle sucks. Fucking suck. Alright. Stop is in. Break even. I don't care if we get stopped out. That oil chart is a little scary. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, still sellers up there. Still sellers. Turn that candle red. Turn that candle red.
Order filled.
Stopped. Oh, there's a pop though. Resistance. Yep, there's the oil pop. Gotta see a drop.
Order filled.
Got 2 at 36. Watching those EMAs below with the rips level below. I will long into those.
Order filled.
Get that candle green, baby. Yeah, I'm out of
Order
1 in
filled.
profit. Stop is in. Very good, very good, very good. Good trade, good trade. Yes, push that shit. Let's go. VIX heading downward. Oil, nice dump. Yeah, I'm gonna
Order
up one more.
filled.
It's just a profit. De-risk. Fighting it back. Fighting it back. There we go. Good push. Good push. Gotta get above this one red candle. That was a news candle. Could be bullshit. There we go. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. Oil 90.23. That's good. I like that. Candle stay red. Stay red. Good push. Good push. I'm going to take my
Order
profit there at
filled.
the top of this candle. Woo! 223 in the hole here. Good comms, everybody. Good trades. Let's see what happens. They were to the top of the wick. Oil get a little bit of rejection. Let's draw some on the chart. Yeah, that was a good entry. Sorry, good exit. Boop. 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 See what happens. Truly, like, that is really the trend line. Oil. Big bounce on the oil. My exit, by the way, 92.25. Sorry, 52.25. 52.25. Pretty close to the top of that wick. We are still wedging. Still wedging. Breaking out of the wedge. Let's see what happens. We get to the top of this wick. I don't see oil giving me the rejection I would want to see. I don't see VIX giving me the rejection I would want to see. I'm a little cautious here. That's the wedge breakout, though. Oil, nice top wick. 960. Sold off 73 before. There's the VIX rejection. Nice top wick oil. I'm going to get long in one. Here we go.
Order filled.
All right, I'm long in 2 micros on the wedge breakout and oil failure. Okay, top wick on the oil is good. We're green on the trade. Red. Green. Definitely got the 70s resistance. Oh, the oil is hanging above 90. Hanging tough. Hanging tough. I don't know if you guys remember that song. That was not really your generation. Might have been even before my generation. Is that New Kids on the Block? I think it was like 6 when that came out. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm out of
Order
one.
filled.
Just a safety profit stop. Safety profit stop. We're gonna get under 200. Yeah, yeah, but the resistance.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
Look at that. We're only down $187. I took it off right at the rips level, which is also a daily level. Now, oil getting a press down. That's got to be good news. That's probably what caused that big old candle. Now, I'm a little reluctant because we sold from here 3 fucking times already. That's why I took my profit. If we go above and retest, I will take it because it's an SR flip. SR flip. I'll even give you the line on the SR. Give me a... Where is it? SR. At the top of this cell wick. Wink. Okay. Pretty picture. Let's see if we can get above. I'm prepared to chase, especially if oil continues there. I got 2 micros to chase. We're above the level. Okay, coming back for a retest, perhaps. Oh, don't show me red. Damn, still resisting. That was the little bit of a retest. We kind of lost the level. Oil got a bounce. There's a push. There we go. All right, push, baby. Let's push that shit. Here we go. Out of
Order
one,
filled.
$20 profit, and our stop is in at break even. Didn't get $20, got 14. That's not cool. Reckon that TopStep X is a little full of it. Okay, gotta watch this 30K test here. Take it off at 30K for profit and then come back and... Although that was the SR flip that I was waiting for. That means I can hold this position. We have recovered the SR. Now 30K is the next hurdle because there's probably going to be a decent amount of shorts hiding up there. Is anybody even talking? Squawking, talking. Ain't nobody squawking. Hey. Let's see what Dagger has to say for Dagger. Music in my fuck for a second there. That's not what I'm listening to. What's up, Jags? Dagestan? Ah, looking great there on the long to 30K. You want to take it there? You want to take it up? No, I'm going to leave it. SR flip, baby. Now, we will see some shorts from 30K. Perhaps they're going to get run over in the rover. Nah, it's 30K. Okay, we expected a little fight at 30. We expected a fight at the 30K even. It's a psychological number. It's an easy number to short from, but what they don't realize is that we have just broken through a support resistance line. Stop is in. Yeah, tough candle right there off of 30K. Excuse me just a moment. Sorry, coughing. Little double toppy at 30K. Tempted to take some profit here. Okay, watching 30K here. It's clearly providing some resistance, but we're starting to pop above it. Love that. Love that. There we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Shorts are about to get yammered. 30K reclaim. Boo-doo-doo-doo. Everyone who shorted here is getting yammed. Yeah, they're getting angry. They're trying to short it some more. Oil 90. Oil's still fucking bouncing. Resistancy. So much resistancy there. 30K tap from above. Just testing 30K from above. Whoa, don't lose the 30. Don't lose the 30. We're losing the 30. Damn. Big sell off of the 30K psychological level. Fuck y'all bears. That's what I say. You guys are no fucking fun. But I make money shorting. Oil. Stupid. I mean, smart. Buying oil at 90 is smart because you know this war ain't fucking over yet. All right, testing the SR. Gonna move my stop down a little bit. I want to get wicked out. This is our SR level. Remember, entry is pretty much on the line. If we hold it, there's no reason to stop out yet. Okay, that's just testing the SR. VIX getting a little poppy here. Will the SR flip hold? VIX got a push. Oil rejection. VIX down, oil down. It's our test. No, oil's getting a little bouncy here. Watching this level right here. 973. 973. But in here, we didn't quite get there. Still watching this 70 level with an EMA on it. That would be a lovely long entry. Yep, there's a press back to the 30K. Didn't take it on the backpack. SR levels holding. Lovely dump on the VIX. Lovely dump. Getting some velocity there. Getting a little bit of volume on the 2 minute. Hasn't showed up on the 5 minute yet. Fighting the top here, 30,006. Let's see what happens when we get to 30K. Be a reasonable place to take profit on this trade. You don't think it's gonna hold? The top wick seems to suggest it's not. I'm still going with the SR thesis. SR thesis. Not gonna do it. I'm gonna play it safe here. We're in the trade. We're green in the trade. I'm not afraid of that $170 L so far in the day. Nice press. That's, again, the SR flip thesis holding strong. Can we get above this 3010? Nope. Okay, moving my stop, but no, stop's gonna stay where it is. It's the SR. It's the SR flip. Look at that. It's very clear to me. It's very clear. 30K tap. Looks like it's now flipping on the 30K level too. There's 90 again on oil. Still bouncing off 90. Lots of buyers at 90 still. Again, they're not dumb. They're smart. I like seeing 30K hold. Really like the 30K hold. Vic's got a little bounce. Oil could get a bounce here too. I'm afraid. Cowardly. It's cowardly is what it is. Oil's still bouncing off 90. Even on oil. It's the real breakdown. Is it the real deal? 89.98, 89.99. Now this is exactly where we dumped from before, so it's a tough spot to get long at. That's why top wick. Yep, look at that top wick. Wow, look at the press. $89.95. Is this the true oil dump? Or is it a bull trap? Nope. 90 test. Looks like it failed. I'm long a backpack. I'm long a backpack on the 90 fail on oil. Make it real, please. Make it real. Oh, the backpack is failing. Damn it. Got greedy. Got greedy on the oil. There's oil continuation. Come on now. Come on now, backpack. Come on now, backpack. We held the 30K. Oil's below 90. Come on, backpack. Come on, backpack. Turn that candle green. Yeah, almost. We're above 10, where we had rejected from before. Are there still sellers hiding here in the 12s is the question. No, below 10 again.
Order filled.
Right, I added. Come on, oil, do your thing. Fucking, come on. Oh, it's brutal. Okay, we lost the 30K.
Order filled.
Right. I
Order
added on
filled.
30K. I will stop out quickly if we start to dump hard here. It's on 30K. Reclaim it, reclaim it, reclaim it. There's 30K. Oh, it's not claiming it. Fuck. It did not reclaim it. On the oil continuation is looking good. There we go. There we go. Come on, give me that. Give me the wick back up to 3K. 30K. Back up to 30K. Back up to 30K. Oil's continuing downside. There goes oil. Big dump on oil. Why are we not pumping? Why are we not pumping? Don't want to see that oil bounce. Fuck. Come on. Yeah, oil's getting the bounce from its key daily level. Gotta get back above 90. There's 90, reclaimed. Move my stop up. Okay, oil just engulfed. Back to 90. Gotta stay above 90. Didn't hold the 90. It's trying hard here. Nice bounce. Back to 90. Stay above. Come on. Get up there. 91, 92, 93. Come on, stay above 90. Stay above 90. Don't fucking dump from here. Don't fucking dump from here. Push! Push, 95. Stupid EMA. Come on, come on. It's rejecting the EMA. But so is oil. It's an EMA battle. Not holding 90. Didn't hold the 95. Gotta get oil to reject right there. It's a 90 test. '80s. Okay, the oil's pushing down. Ah, reclaim of 90 sucks. Come on, send it up, send it up, send it up, send it up. That's why we keep our stop so wide. That's why we keep our stop so wide. Fuck. Let's go. Turn that candle green. Turn that candle green. Back to 90. Turn the candle green. Turn it green. Turn it green. Fuck you, oil. Come on. Back to 96. Come on. Get to 96 now. Get to 96 now. Move my stop up. Not going to lose the account. Gotta get above that fucking EMA. There's that EMA tap. Let's push it. Holding 90. I like that. 3004. It's a terrible trade. Terrible fucking trade. Come on, buyers. Help me out here. Help me out on this terrible trade. Let's take out. I'm going to size down. That's what I got to do. That's what you got to do. Oil rejecting 90. I like that. Send us up. Send us up. Get above the fucking EMA. Let's go. VIX down, oil down. VIX down, oil down. 95. 96. 99. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Back to 30K. Back to 30K. Push, 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 push. Let's push. Let's push. Oil is getting weird. 30K evens.
Order
Okay, I'm
filled.
out of 2. Out of 2. That was a loss. That's okay. Damn. Could have taken off more, but I did not. Just rejected 30K pretty badly. But we are above the 71 SR flip. Okay, back to 30K. That was an $800 loss, I think. Okay, 30K. Come on, backpacks. Time to lift. Time to lift us, backpacks. Let's go. Get over 30K. Not happening. Prepared to exit another if I have to. Oil down, VIX down. Come on now. Fuck. Okay, watching the SR levels. Still holding that SR flip. I'd love for that candle to go green. Back to 90. Liking that. Push it. Push it. Turn it green. Turn it green. Still rejecting the 30K. I'm not seeing anything too concerning from oil or VIX. We should be above 30K here. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what we were waiting for. Oh, I should have taken one off. There's 30K. Twin stop up. Oh, nope. Still rejecting from 30K. Okay, 30K again. Here we go. 30K is reclaimed. Fuck, TopStep. Fucking with me here. So tilting. Still rejecting 30K. There's the push I wanted. I'm
Order
out of
filled.
1 in profit. Okay, the 30K reclaim seems cool. I'm just gonna put a sell stop in for... Okay, good press. Good press. All right. Now that EMA up there could be tricky. Could be tricky. Nice, 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 nice. All right, I'm going to take it off there. That's the end of that backpack. We're green again on the day. We're green on the day. Check this out. Boop, still long over here, baby. Oh, we got... Well, look at the exit, though. Check out the exit from backpack land. We took that negative 1,000 back to 0. We're hopefully going to be green. Okay, that VIX candle is a little sketch. Little sketch. This EMA is still a little resisty. But again, remember, this is an SR flip thesis. We have SR flipped on the day is the thesis. Let's see if... And I ain't saying shit. Let's see if the squawk wants to back me up here. Come on, squawks. Squawk me. Nobody's squawking. Okay. 30K tap from above. 30K test with an EMA support now. And trend line support. That's fun. Okay, like this press. I like this press. Oil's getting a little bouncy bounce. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Let's press. Keep that oil low. It's not going low. Atta. There's a push. Here we go. Here we go. Very good. Very good. I'm aiming for 30.30, which was the low of last night. Okay, watching that oil candle. Keep going, baby. Keep going, baby. There's 30.30. There's 30.30. Dirty 30. Yeah, 30.31. VIX to the downside. Oil to the downside. 30.32. Woohoo! Woohoo! Watch what's about to happen. Watch what's about to happen. We broke through the rips level. We broke through it. We broke through. Let's go. Let's go. What's about to happen? That's about to happen. I'm taking my fucking profit. That's what's about to happen. Woo! Look at the exit! We are green on the day. Market sold off. I took a bunch of losses. Green on the day. $32.60. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you rescue a funded account from the brink. Woo! That feels nice. Something just happened. I gotta tell you, that's a pretty sweet 34 exit. 30. Oh, it's so good. Guys, that might be it for me. Testing the rips level again after losing it. I got out at 36. If I was not yet out, I would be out here for sure. Oil caught a bounce there. Back to my exit, 34.25. Well, I think I'm obligated to not trade that anymore. There's above my exit. We're gonna V-shape the whole day? We're gonna just V the whole thing? We're V'ing. It's a pretty good V. Wish I had some squawks to tell me if there's news that led to this. Currently poking above, and again, the 29,973 SR flip. Thesis. Strong. Nice. Oil's trying to put in a bottom here, but it could break lower. Now, breaking lower on the prior day low on oil would be real interesting. Now, does that include the overnight low is my question. It does not include the overnight. Ha 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 ha. All right, it's just yesterday's low. It's not though. Yesterday we were way up there. Why is that the prior day low? That's confusing. It's confusing. Yeah, I could see oil seriously bouncing. Watching this prior day low. Again, we dump hard. 87.50 is the target. $2 left of downside. Here's the 30-30 test. That was the overnight low. 53 above. Switch over to the Daddy Mac chart. Let's see what's happening out there in the world. That's the Mac Daddy chart. Nvidia finally stopped fucking selling at 208.70. Fancy, I was trying to go long at 209. That's okay. That's okay. We got back above 750 on SPY, but this candle is yikes on the 1 minute. Still resisting from my exit. It was a beautiful exit. It was Nvidia's prior day low. Oh, let's see what happens here. Let's watch Nvidia against prior day low. If it reclaims with some gusto, it's not gonna. 12-12 is gonna be a fucking brick wall. Are technically pushing still. Come back to 29,974. I will be interested in another trade. All right, since the UVXY isn't doing much, we'll double check. 212.50 be a great reclaim. 212.50 right here. A great reclaim for Nvidia. Also a pretty good resistance for Nvidia. There's the rejection. Whoa. So this is my TPT. Last of the sale TPTs at that. Down to 2,300 on the day. VIX Prime got a bounce here, guys, and we're sitting at resistance for Nvidia. I would not be really chasing any more longs from here. That's how I'm feeling. Nobody's squawking to me. Wedge. Nice bounce off of some of those EMAs on the 1 minute on SPY. We are still not above the Gravestone Doji. Now, would that have been a good short? No. You wouldn't even be break even at this point, probably based on your entry. Kind of just a VWAP tap as well. This double yellow is VWAP. VWAP. Just a VWAP tap. Now, very interesting EMA stacks below at 30,022. Remember, we've got a 30,030 rips level. And then we've got 30K even with great EMA support. So look for the 30.25-ish tap, 30.25, 30.23. Also watch for NVIDIA to dump off into the 212 evens. Man. This is a tough long. It's a tough long. Now NVIDIA reclaiming 212.50, it would be something to be excited about. All right, so here's the 20s that I was kind of looking for. 23-ish was my target. There's the rips level at 30 being tested. I think we could dip down to those lower EMAs, get some of that juicy liquidity, and send it upside. What do y'all think? Okay, there's 25. 23. I didn't get it. Did not get it. Back above 30, though. All right, took it at 30, 30, 30, 50. And I have $56 in drawdown. I think, actually, is that true? This says I've got $62 in drawdown. Cool. Ah, it was a good entry. Ah, ha, ha. That's the rips level being held at 30.30. Now, probably wise to take profit up here because NVIDIA is about to reject 212. Probably. 212.12 would be the exact rejection part, especially if NVIDIA gives us like a big green candle here and kind of suckers in some bulls. Do a little bit of a bull trap maneuver. Not yet to the VWAP. Wappy wappy. SMH is, however. There's 212 NVIDIA, 212.01. Okay, now watch what happens at 212.12. Okay, we're above. There's 212.08, 212.11, and I'm going to take my profit right there because I suspect 212.12 is going to be resisty. Let's see what happens. Did we just sucker in some longs on the 212 reclaim only to just stuff it in their face when they hit the 200 EMA above? Yup. Yup. What an exit. This is how I choose my exits, y'all. That was an $18 trade. I need all the help I can get down there. I got $78.50 in drawdown left. So there's the NVIDIA rejection. Now let's see what they do next. It does have some EMA support theoretically. Remember, 212.50 is the ultimate rejection spot. Spy defeating the Gravestone Doji on the 1 minute. There's NVIDIA's CBC flip on the 2 minute to the down side. CBC flip blue is not good. We want gold. Gold, not blue. Another little bit of a hanging man testing the Gravestone. It's a series of troubling candles on the SPY. This is why I'm not engaging with this long any further. Back to the 30-30 level. It's where I got long before, but I don't think that oil is heading in the right direction at this point. It's not currently on the screen. Let me show you back to the Daddy Mac chart. That NVIDIA rejection as anticipated, but it is holding its 8 EMA for below. That's the pink one, the red one, right? Is it? Or is this the 223? Is the 200 EMA? But what are you? You are the 200. All right, so I got two 200 EMAs. We're bouncing in between. I don't totally understand what that's about. I think this is supposed to be the 9. What are you? What are you? The purple. Oh, you're the other 200. You are the 9 EMA, or the 8 EMA. 10 EMA. Oh, they're supposed to be the daily, to the 10-day EMA and the 200-day EMA? That can't be right, clearly. I'm not perfect at TradingView, and anyone who is probably not a great trader, because it takes a long time to figure that shit out. Look at that dump after the top tick exit on the scalp. Golly. Okay, back to the Daddy Mac chart. Back to the Daddy Mac. It's NVIDIA. It's NVIDIA. That's all we need to know. It's NVIDIA. Oil's basing. VIX, not doing much. We never got to the VIX chart on Rocket Scooter. Let's just see. UVXY. Ah, sorry, I'm just feeling some relief from being fucking green today. Look at this dump back to 30K. Ouchie. That's on a 2-minute chart, y'all. That's a tough 2 minutes. Okay. 31.25, 31.29. Where are all my lines? 31.25, 31.29, 29, and 31.25. Here we go. Got a stack of resistances above, but it's got room to play, especially a reclaim of prior day low would not be bullish the market. Now, we are kind of getting back down to the 973. That could be cool. That could be fun. Now, I do have one other funded account that I completely fucked up. I'm going to show you guys live on screen. So I lost 1185 yesterday, a red day for me. Look how close we are here. I don't know if you guys can see this. Can you see that part of my screen? Not quite. Yeah, almost. Almost. No. 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 Ah, jeez, come on. Well, in any event, let's see if I can zoom it in. Oh, I cannot. For whatever reason, I cannot drag it down, but suffice to say, man, I really want to show you guys. This is so silly. So silly. There it is. So, this green line is my P&L. This red line is some fucking trailing drawdown bullshit. So anyways, that was my daily loss limit yesterday. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of math here. So, 59.69.50 seems like a very arbitrary number to be a locked in, supposed to be a fucking static account. 30K giving us a little support here. Oil's giving me a double top. Did I just hear? Okay, anyways. So, my account is 51,149.50 minus 50,969.5. Oh, that's helpful. Okay, $180 of drawdown in my next gen account. That is, I was almost ready for payout. I just have taken 3 L's after, you know, out of the 7 days of trading. So I am gonna get ready. Let's log it in. Let's log it in. Okay, I gotta turn you off. Oh, and I gotta do that, and then that. Okay. Connecting to my trading view so I can make a trade. I hope I don't blow the account, cause that would be embarrassing. VIX giving a little gap up. A little gappy on the VIX. Little pumpy on the oil. Caution. Oh, an interesting indicator just fired off, you guys. And that's why this is going to be my last trade of the day. Ooh. There is an indicator, which is not on your chart. Okay, here's our VIX. Here's our SR. Now, the number is 29,973. 29,973. The indicator that's firing. All right, I'm in 1 micro here. I will add more if we start to go low. But this line right here, which is previous day mid, providing us some weird SR action, which is support resistance. This was prior resistance becomes support. That's the thesis. Here, Neon going short, being short. You know how I feel about him. Love you, Neon. So, the indicator that's firing just right now, tummy ache indicator, the TMI. TMI is hot right now. Stomach is hurting. I wonder if this is a signal that I should probably not be trading. Okay. So, what was the number? $180 of drawdown left? I'm not scared. On one micro, that's like a ton of points. It's 90 points. There's our bounce. There's our SR flip test. It was a good trade. It was a good entry. We're up some number of dollars. Stop loss is in. $5.50. Oh, stopped out just like that. Okay. I'm gonna go 2 just to get 45. Okay, now this covers up my shit. Oil over there. Top wick from it. Want it lower. I'm gonna get in one. I got one at 86. I'm gonna get in another one and get lower. And you fucking. There we go. Whoa, we got a little bit of a gap. Gap on the chart. That's weird. Nice, nice. Okay, stop is in. Stop up a little bit. Don't love those top wicks. Stopped out again. Damn. What's that looking like? Ah, not you. Where's my I'm trading? Oh, there we are. I have my fucking P&L. It's so stupid. Okay. Account summary. 163. $14? Is that what that is? It was at 51,149. I'm now at 51,163. All right, well that's a green day over here on Next Gen. Still want to take the thesis of the SR not there. Okay, those are my trades. Still want to hold this thesis down here. So let's see. Can I buy one? Yeah. Hey, oh, buying down here could be cool. And then I can also do a market buy for the rest. Oh, it takes away my other one? There's our SR level. Look at that. We failed the fucking trend line where the trend line ended. Oh! But look at this. Look at that. Look at that bottom wick off the SR test. I'm buying it. I'll buy it again. I want to buy it again. Give me another one. Give me another one on the SR. Long 2 micros now. We're going to bounce mega here. We're going to bounce mega here. That's the thesis. That's the thesis. I'll take off 1 in some profits when we get a little higher up. Looking good. I like that oil rejection. We held the SR pivot. A little bit more. Take one out. Give me a little bit more for some profit. Give me my profit. Dang. Pressure. Still with the pressure. Still with the pressure. I'm out of 1. Yes. Now, my stop loss. gonna stop getting stopped out of bullshit. My stop loss is gonna be down here. Down there. It's a 10 point stop loss. Now, my T. There we go. DP is going to be the 30K tap with EMA resistance. Let's, you know, I don't trade this way, but let's just do it. Let's just do it. Look at the RR, the R to R, the R's, R. Look at the R's. Why did the pirate hate the long? Not enough R's. Now, if I just click that, yeah, I would love it to just auto close. That's why, because we got rejected off of the EMA test. Motion downside. Gross. Gross. Heading towards the stop. A little bit. SR flip. Staying alive. Staying alive. Alright, Vic's getting a pop. The entry was so good. Sticking with it. Yes! Arr! Give me my arr. This is so to get to 30K from 77 is just 23, 20, we'll call it 23 points. Risking 10 to get 23 doesn't totally make sense. I'm risking 8 to get 23. That's a 4-to-1. Arr, arr. Lots of resistance from the EMA. On the SR right now. Stopped out, but I'm ready to re-enter if we hold it again. The thesis is dying, guys. The thesis is dying. There goes the support. The support resistance. We're dying. It's over. The dream is over. The thesis is done. I'm not buying that. I'm not buying it. How do we do? How we do? How we do? How we do? 51, 170. 149. Oh! Technically, that was, that's 50 cents. We're up $20.50. Gosh, look at that fucking short on the SR flip reject. Now we're forming a little bit of like a inverted fucking bat fuck. Gross, gross. Look at what is that? Oil's pumping, VIX back above its pivot. Gross, what the fuck is that? Where's my squawkers? Nobody talking, everybody's having a fucking long lunch. Gross, 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 gross. Do I want to buy it? From the 930. 185 is the rips level. It's not an interval, it's a chart. MNQ. Boop. Fuck you, that's symbol to MNQ. Boop. You don't. Alright, rips level here in the 20s. I don't think I like it. Don't think I like it. Nice short, Neon. Holding the rips level. 90 reclaim on oil. If we dip back below 90, I'll take the buy. Go away. It's sometimes. Oh, I got a fucking Dom. Well, that's much easier. Okay, fine. 918 though. Okay, seeing the rejection from the pre-market high on UVXY. Market's falling. Just as a reminder, we're down 100 points. 100 points. Alright, I got in 2 right here. I want to see oil continue with this rejection look off of 90. Oh, it's not working. Oh, it's not working. Added there. Loss. Go. It's a good bounce. Long 2. 1 off for profit. Oh no, I'm long 4. Fuck. There we go. Stop is in, confirmed. And now we're gonna sell 1 more. Boop. What a good trade. What a good trade. Let's put some sell orders in. We're gonna. Why can't I? Lame? Lame? Oh? No. Oh. Good, I got 1 off. Okay. And now my stop is gonna be at 911. Fuck it. Great trade, great trade. It's a great trade. Dum, 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 dum. Oh, interesting. Market. Don't love how much it covers up the fucking chart. $111, make a wish. Wish that we reversed to. Okay, there's the oil rejection. Oil under 90. Oh, did we get stopped out? Yeah. We don't take any more trades. How about we don't take another trade? Let's see here. That VIX is kind of pushy. Oil's sitting on 90. Tough stop out. 900. So the SR was lost. Back to the lows we went. I longed it. We are up. We're up $120. Still getting this bounce. You can see it on this chart right here. Not that I'm gonna take it. Looking okay so far from this like quadruple bottom, but holy shit, that was another big sell-off. Glad that I didn't get burned on that. Up 120 over there. Ah, not you. There. And with that, we're going to call it a day. We're going to lock it down with 3 green funded accounts and 1 extremely red fucking TPT eval, which we don't count that. We don't count it. But on the funded side, TPT, we're up 221.50, 146 on the day. How's the drawdown? 146. We're only 27 off of the drawdown. Okay, so we're up 146 plus 3260. We're gonna call that 176 plus 120. We're gonna call it $300 on the day. Woo! We celebrate the little wins because they count a lot. All right, everybody. I hope you have a good day. I hope you don't lose any green that you might have. I got baby greens and I'm keeping them. I'm not giving them back. I'm gonna call it a day. You guys have a good one out there. Don't give your greens back. And I will see you tomorrow. I'll see you later. I love you. Bye.